Alright, I'm in the final stages for these front door panels. Got them back off the truck. Sanded them down for the paint. Did spot putting a couple places that I missed last time. So we're all ready to go with my nice little paint station, which is some cardboard boxes. I've got some primer that I had left over from the last time I did painting. A glossy black and then a clear coat. So it'll stick with the pretty much all black theme of my interior, but it should still stick out a little bit, so it'll be noticeable when you open the doors. So let's get to it. I hope these turn out well.
To the 31st. Visit www.the3day.org or call 877-3-DAY. That's 877-3-DAY. Because everyone deserves a lifetime. What about her burp cloths? Can we write off burp cloths?
No, honey.
Can we clean binkies? We got like a million binkies.
No.
Tax time brings out the deductions in all of us, especially if you're trying to save.
Alright, the pods are all painted up now. I had 3 coats of primer, 3 coats of the glossy black, and then 2 coats of clear on top of them. So they're still very wet at this point. And the clear coat recommended you let it dry for up to 2 days, so probably going to do that. Hopefully not too much dust falls for my ceiling, because I've had that problem before where dust lands on it and it just ruins the paint. But it's looking real good. I'm happy with it. I can't wait to get him in the car, but patience is a virtue. So anyway, I'll cut this video, and in a couple days we'll get these in the car. See you then, guys.